Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn functions in Python. A function in Python is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. It allows you to group related together, making your program more organized, readable, and modular. Function helps in reducing redundancy by allowing you to define a set of instructions once and reuse them multiple times throughout your code. In functions, there are two types, built-in functions and user-defined functions. Built-in functions. Built-in functions are predefined functions provided by the programming language, offering ready-to-use functionality for common tasks without needing to be defined by the programmer. They cover a wide range of operations like arithmetic, string manipulations, and input-output handling. For example, say a equal to int input, enter a number like this, then say b equal to a multiplied by a one time, then print inside it, say square the square of a is like this, put comma after the quotes, then the variable name b. Okay, and it will give, enter a number, say 4, then it will show the square of a is 16. All right, in the above program, input function, int function, and print functions are the built-in functions. The set of instructions to be executed for these built-in functions are already defined in the Python interpreter. User-defined function. In addition to the standard library functions, we can define our own functions while writing the program. Such functions are called user-defined functions. In Python, the user-defined functions contains two elements, function definitions, function call. Function definition. A function definition begins with def, short for define. It specifies the name of a new function and the sequence of statements that runs when the function called. A function call. A function call is a statement that calls a function. It consists of a function name followed by an argument list in parentheses. The first line of a function definition is the function header. A function header starts with the keyword def followed by the function name. The function name is followed by a comma-separated list of identifiers called formal parameters or simply parameters. The function header is ended with a colon. The function body follows the function header. The function body contains one or more valid Python statements or the function instructions. The statement must be indent relative to the function header. The statement outside the function indentation are not considered as a part of the function. Well, let's see a basic example of a function. Let's create a function, say def, and my function name is to greet, then a set of parentheses. Inside the parentheses I have to put the value parameters values, but here I'm not going to put any parameter values. Simply I'm just putting colon and ending the header. Then inside the function I'm just print hello, and to call the function, type the function name with appropriate parameters. Say here my function name is greet, then with a set of parentheses and print it, you will get hello. Okay, let's do some extra things. Say inside the function name equal to input, enter your number, enter your name like this, enter your name like this, then after the hello put comma, then the variable name, then print it, enter your name, say stuff, and you will see hello stuff. And there is no need to define one more time, just type greet one more time, then it will ask second two times. Okay, name stuff, hello stuff, one more time, learner, Hello learner. Okay, let's add the parameter value inside the parenthesis. Put name, then after the hello, put comma, then the variable the name. Okay, here I have to paste the value. For example, say surf and one more time learner. Okay, now let's print it and you will see hello surf, hello learner. What if I'm not putting any value inside the function parenthesis? Then it will show an error. Greet function missing one required positional argument name. So you need to put the value inside the parenthesis. Then it will show the output. Hello surf, hello learner. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe it to our YouTube channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.